Yeah, so today I want to show you a very nice topic about layers and layer combinations in ArchiCAD. I know most of you are familiar with it, and those who use other 2D softwares like AutoCAD, you know what I'm talking about. So what you're seeing on your screen is a site plan of this project. Within this site plan, there are hidden drawings. We have a complete floor plan still within this site plan. Then we have a complete block plan still within this same area, and a complete model, clean model still within this area. As you hear the word layers, it's like a book with papers or sheets. You open one sheet and see what is on another sheet. You open a sheet and see what is on another sheet. So that's what I want to show you here. So what you're seeing on your screen is a sheet of site plan. So by just a single click, I can go to a sheet of block plan sheets, then floor plan, and you realize that all drawings are very clean. I call it professional documentation. It also prevents accidental editing. So if at all I want to delete an element on the floor plan, I will just turn on the floor plan layer combination and delete whatever I want to delete on the floor plan. Then if at all I want to delete something on the site plan, I will just turn on the site plan layer combination and delete what I want to delete on the site plan. So I told you that still within the same area we have a 3D model, so you realize the model is also in this space, very clean. I think that model is within that same area, very clean. So to turn on the dialog box of layers and their combinations, you just press Ctrl L on your keyboard. So when you press that, this dialog box will come, and a layer is a single element. Then a layer combination is a group of layers. So if I have elements, a group of elements that I want to show in the site plan, I'll turn them on under layers column. I'll turn on those elements. Then elements that I don't want to be seen in the site plan, I'll turn them off and I update under the column of layer combination. And when it comes to floor plan, still elements that I want to show in the floor plan, I'll make sure the eye icon under the layers column is on, and for those that I don't want to show in the floor plan, I'll make sure the eye icon is turned off. So whenever you do that change, make sure you update here. There is this green icon with rotating arrows. So you make sure you update whenever you do a certain change. Yeah, so that's what I had for you today. Maybe if you have questions about this topic, you can put them in the comment section. Then I'll be responding accordingly.